I found the best value for money bicycle toolkit on Amazon, and I'm gonna show it to you. My name is Neyfi Rosario, and I am a holistic nutritionist and best-selling author here in New York City. And I am also a cyclist. I love riding my bike. I train as a duathlon, so I'm always looking to be the fastest as I can for as far as I can, right? But sometimes being the fastest breaks my bike and I don't have the money to pay a mechanic to fix my bike. That comes out to be a lot of money. And being mechanically inclined myself, I decided to go on Amazon and look for the best bike toolkit there is out there, and I think I found it for less than $90. This is the Cyclists Bike Toolkit CT-K01, and I am gonna review it for you guys and show you what's inside, what are my thoughts, and how the tools feel, so you guys can take apart your bikes and work on them just like I am. And if you guys want to watch how these tools are in action, I am gonna be taking apart my time trial bike and I am gonna be turning it into a road bike, because I wanna go in group rides and they don't let me ride my time trial bike, and this is the only bike I got. Also, there'll be a link down in the description to Amazon if you guys wanna check out this toolkit. So let's get started. This is the toolkit and it comes in a very hard plastic, and I see myself throwing this around and I'm pretty sure it'll stay together. Opening up the toolkit has two pull tabs here. And let's see, this is the presentation of the toolkit, and it looks really nice inside. It looks like a very premium high-end toolkit that you might buy for $300. You're getting this for more than half the price. So let's get started with everything that comes in this toolkit. So here we have a set of wrenches. So this is, I imagine, for your older bikes that have, you know, hubs with nuts in them. So I think they're magnetic. Yeah, they stand together. It's pretty cool. This is a spoke tool that comes in the kit. This is a crank puller. It's pretty cool. This is a cassette tool. So if you want to change your cassette, you use this. And this is a slightly bigger cassette remover. It comes with a master tool link and it has a spring. Most of them don't have a spring. This is really nice. It comes with a crank cap remover, right? Really cool. It has a very nice chain whip. Very heavy. This comes with a set of screwdrivers so you can change and index your gears. It comes with a set of tire levers. And yeah, they're also magnetic. They like to stick to each other, which is a very, very nice feature. So on the other side, we have a bottom bracket tool. So this is for the BB 9000 and the Holotech, which is really nice. We have a pedal wrench that is really big. This is good because pedals like to get stuck. And I have stuck pedals before and they're not fun. This is a chain nut wrench. This is a big hex wrench. And you will use this with like taking your cassette out with the other tools, and you use it like this. You also have a chain breaker tool, which is really useful if you don't have a master link or you need to make your chain shorter. You also have a set of Allen keys. You have your hex side and you also have your Torx side. This is useful because new bikes have this now. They come in with like the Torx side, and this is very useful. And it also comes with a tire patch kit. Many of the toolkits will come with this, but this is very useful if you don't like buying inner tubes like me. It also comes with a set of instructions in English, German, and Japanese. So that is very useful if you don't know how to use the tools or you don't know what are the tools used for. So my overall thoughts of this toolkit is, it's a very nice toolkit. If you look at it, every tool is made of a very durable metal material. They're very heavy, and I see myself taking apart probably 100 bikes with this toolkit. If you guys want to check it out, there'll be a link down in the description. I found that it has a lot of tools for the value that it has, but the only complaint that I have about this toolkit is it doesn't have cable cutters. And if you guys don't, you need your cable cutters for your cables on your bike, because you should replace them once a year, in my opinion, you know, to keep shifting and braking good. But you can get a good set of cable cutters somewhere else. And you know, I think buying a toolkit like this complete is better than buying every single tool by itself. It's gonna be way more expensive buying one tool, and it's better to have all the tools that you need to take apart a bike. And I think you can take apart a bike with this, except for cutting cables. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, because I'll be taking apart my bike and converting it into a road bike, plus making upgrades and changing the group sets to something interesting. And you guys don't want to miss that, because there are not many people who turn time trial bikes into road bikes. I've seen people turn mountain bikes into time trial bikes, but this is gonna be very interesting. And if you guys want to learn something else, there are 2 videos of me right on the screen where you can learn something new right now. I love every single one of you.